Hi, I'm Mark with NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com. Today's history lesson is going to be on Action Industries. Action Industry is a supplier of weather stripping. They got their start in the early 1980s and they made commercial garage door openers that were sold for a period of time. But their main product line and their most successful product line was weather stripping. They started out and still make today aluminum extrusions which hold the weather strip to the door or the door jamb. They make plastic extrusions that do the same thing. They make vinyl weather stripping and they make EPDM weather stripping. And almost from the beginning of our operation, they have been a Tier 1 supplier to us. They're very innovative and very easy to do business with. One of the things that we enjoy a nice relationship with them is when we found out that some manufacturers no longer offered the original weather stripping supplied from the manufacturer, we came up with a concept of kits. And the kits were developed in unison with Action Industries, where we told them what we wanted and they acquiesced and gave us the product. So today they're making the raw components that go into the kit. They're cutting them to size, they're boxing them and shipping to us. We put them on the shelf and they're available for rapid shipment. And they're a major part of our weather stripping department. Great people over there, easy to approach and very, very helpful. We're glad to have them as one of our partners.
Action Industries is a leading manufacturer of weather seals, brush seals, door seals, retainers, and much more. With top quality products and very competitive pricing, it is a pleasure to work with and offer Action Industries brand at NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com.